شالوم برخات حواتي كما يعلكم لي كما يتخونوا እግዚአብሔር ይባርክኩም ኣብ ቀረባና ብርሑቅ እንዘለኹም ነዚ ሓሳብ ነዚ ትምህርቲ እዚ ተካታተሉ ለማዓንቲ ሓደ ነገር ኣዳልየ ኣለኹ እሱ ድማ እንታይ እዩ ዓለምና ኣብ ዝሎሚ ግዜ ኣበይ ኣስጋእ ዝኾነ ኣሰካፍ ዝኾነ ናይ ሓጢኣት ናይ ዓመፃ ኩነታት በፂሓ ከም ዘላ ክዛረብ ደልየሉ እዚ ድማ እንታይ እዩ ኣብ ሓደ ቤት ፍርዲ ዝሰማዕክዎ ኣብ ዩቱብ ዘሎ ናባኹም ከብሎ ደልየ ኣለኹ እዚ ድማ እንታይ እዩ መሲልኩም ክልተ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ኮይነን እዚ ለዝቢያኒዝም ዝበሃል ነገር ትፈልጥዎ ኢኹም ለዝቢያኒዝም ማለት ጓል ምስ ጓል ክትምርዖ ከላ ማለት እዩ ገይ ማለት ድማ ወዲ ምስ ወዲ ማለት እዩ ኣቂድማ ኣምላኽ እዚ ኣዝዩ ፍንፉን ምዃኑ ምናልባት ንዕኦም ነቶም ፀዓዱ ክጠፍኦም ክእል ይኸውን እምበር ንዓና ንሓበሻ ንፁር እዩ ንዕኦም እውን ሕልና ስለ ዝሃቦም እግዚኣብሔር ሓቅን እቲ ጌጋን እቲ ፅቡቕን እቲ ሕማቕን ኣይጠፍኦምን እዩ ዝብል ርድኢት ኣለኒ ቃል ኣምላኽ እውን ይመስክረልና እዩ ከም ዘይጠፍኦም እምበር ኣብዚ እንታይ እዩ ኣጋጢሙ ዘሎ እዚአን ክልተ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ሰብ ሓዳር ኮይነን ክልቲአን ሓንቲ ሰብኣይ እያ ሓንቲ ከዓ ሰበይቲ ኮይና ዘላ ማለት እዩ እታ ሰብኣይ ትበሃል ዘላ እታ ነዊሕ ፀሊም ፀጉሪ ጌራ ዘላ ካሚቻ ነገር ጌራ ዘላ እያ እታ ማእከል ዘላ ማለት እዩ እታ ኔወይቲ ዘላ እታ ፃዕዳ ሕፅር ኢላ ድማ ንሳ ከዓ ሰበይቲ ኣትኸውን ዘላ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ዘን ሰባት እዚአን እንታይ ኢለን መሲልኩም ከስማዓኩም እየ ደሓን እንታይ እየን ኢለን ነዚ ወዲ ትርእይዎ ዘለኹም ኣብ ስእሊ ክትርእይዎ ኢኹም ንዕኡ እንታይ ይብሎ መጀመርታ ተሰማሚዐን ክልቲአን ንሕና ክንወልድ ስለ ዘይንኽእል ክልቴና ዋልድ ስለ ዝኾንና ስለዚ ውላድ ባይ ኤኒ ሚንስ ከነምፃእ ኣለና ኢለን ተማኺረን ንሓደ ወዲ ንዛረቦ እሞ ተሰማሚዕና ካብ ክልቴና ይውለድ ንሱ ደቅና ድማ በቦ ኣሕዋት ይኾኑ እንተወሓደ በቦ ኣሕዋት ይኾኑ ዝብል ካልኩሌሽን ዝብል ስነ ሓሳቤን በፂሐን ማለት እዩ ኦኬ ተዛራሪበን ነዚ ሰብ ዝረኺቦንኦ እሱ ድማ ኣነ እውን ውላድ ስለ ዝደሊ ኦኬ ኢልዎን ብድሕሪኡ ኣብ ሓደ ንክልቲአን ኣጥኒስወን ክልቲአን ምስ ጠነሳ ኣጥኒስወን እኳ ዘይኮነ ሓንቲ ካልእ ጉድ ተረኺቦ ማለት እዩ ክትርእይዎ ኢኹም ቀሲልኩም ነቲ ሓንቲ ጥኒስዋ እቲ ሓንቲ ግን እቲ ጥንሲ ካብኡ ዘይኮነ ኮይኑ ፀኒሑ ማለት እዩ ድሓን እታ ቪድዮ ምቕሩብ ከርእየኩም ናብኣ ከምፃኣኩም እየ ኣብቲ ሓሳብ ከምፃኣኩም እየ ኣብዛ ዓለም እዚ ኣብዚ ምድሪ እዚ ስጋዕ ክንደየናይ ኣፀያፊ ዝኾነ ነገር ይግበር ከም ዘሎ ንሕና ድማ ከም ደቂ ሰባት ናይ ኣምላኽ ሕልና ናይ ተፈጥሮ ሕልና ከም ዘለና ሰባት ኣብዛ ምድሪ እዚኣ ከመይ ክንመላለስ ከም ዘለና ክዛረብ ስለ ዝደለኹ እየ መጀመርታ ግን እዚ ግብረ ሰዶም ዝበሃል ገይ ይኹን ለዝቢያኒዝም ብቃል ኣምላኽ ፈፂሙ ፍንፉን ከም ዝኾነ ካብ ቃል ኣምላኽ ኣምፅኤ ከም ብበልኩም እየ ካበይ ክጅምር እየ ካብ መፅሓፍ ሮሜ ጳውሎስ ዝፀሓፎ ናብ ሰብ ሮሜ ካብ ጥቕሲ 26 ክጅምር እየ ኩሉም ብቦቱ ምዕራፍ ዛዕባ ከምኡታት እዩ ዝዛረብ ግን እታ ነዚ ሓሳበይ ክትሃርበለይ ትኽእል ግን ካብ ጥቕሲ 26 ከንብብ እየ ስለዚ ኣምላኽ ንዘነውር ፍትወት ኣሕሊፉ ሃቦ ደቂ ኣንስቲኦም ነቲ ናይ ባህሪ ተራኽቦኦን ናብ ዘይባህሪ ለወጦ እቶም ተባዕትዮ እውን ከምኡ ናይ ባህሪ ምርኻብ ጓል ኣንስተይቲ ሓዲጎም ኣብ ናሕድሕዶም ብትምኒት ረሰኑ ሰብኡት ኣብ ሰብኡት ነውሪ ገበሩ ግቡዕ ዓስቢ ስሕተቶም ከዓ ኣብ ርእሶም ተቐበሉ ይብል ከምቲ ኣምላኽ ኣብ ፍልጠቶም ክሕዝዎ ዘየቋፀርዎ ኣምላኽ ከዓ ከምኡ ዘይንቡር ክገብሩ ንሕሱር ኣእምሮ ሕሊፎ ሃቦም ይብል ስለዚ እንታይ እዩ ኮይኑ ዘሎ ቃል እግዚኣብሔር ኦልሬዲ ነቶም ኣብቲ ሽዑ ዝነበሩ ኣብ ግዜ ጳውሎስ ዝነበረሉ ግዜ ዝነበሩ ሰባት ቃል ኣምላኽ ተነጊርዎም እዩ ግብረ ሰዶም ኣነዋሪ ከም ዝኾነ ንሰብ ይሕስሮ ከም ዝኾነ ኣብ ትሕቲ ቁጣዓ ኣምላኽ ከም ዘምፅኦ ተዛሪቡ እዚ ቃል እዚ ድማ ትንቢታዊ መልእኽቲ ስለ ዘለዎ ከዓ ንዓና ከዓ ተፃሒፉና ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ሕዋተይ ነዚ ነገር እዚ እምበኣር እንታይ ኢና ክንገብር ዘለና ካብዚ ነገር እዚ ክንጥንቀቕ ክንመሃረሉ ክንዛረበሉ ዘፈንፍን ነገር ክንርኢ ከለና ኖ ክንብል እግዚአብሔር በዚ አጋጣሚ እዚ ይምዕደና ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ናብታ ቪድዮ ቁርብ ከሕልፈኩም እሞ በድሕሪ እንታይ ይበሃል ከም ዘሎ እናተርጎምኩ ክገልጽ ክፍትን የጎይታ ይባርኩም ተኻታተሉ
Until a DNA test proves that he's the dad.
All rise. Court is now in session. The
سمعوا حجة كابزيا تخاطتلو.
Honorable Judge Lauren Lake presiding.
Please be seated.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, thank you, Sean. Good day, everyone.
Good day.
This is the case of Marshall versus Pham. The Marshalls are suing Mr. Pham for $5,000 for the cost of a gender reveal party. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And Mr. Pham, you say you're not the father, so you don't owe them anything.
That's correct.
Okay, well, this sounds interesting. Let's begin with the plaintiffs. So you say...
Okay, ኣብዚ ድማ plaintiff ማለት ከሳሲ ማለት እዩ defendant ድማ ተኸሳሲ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ተን plaintiff ዘለዋ ከሰስቲ እዘን ክልተ ዋልድን ተን ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ኢና ኢለን ዝዛረባ ዘለዋ እንታይ እን ዝብላ ዘለዋ ምስ ጠነሳ ጀንደር ፓርቲ ዝበሃል ኣሎ ኣብዚ ናይ ጻዓዲ ብዙሕ ዝዝውተር ሓበሻና እውን ኣብ ገለገለ ክገብሮ ርኢና ኣለና እቲ ጀንደር ፓርቲ ዝበሃል ምስ ጠነሳ ዶክተር ብደብዳቤ ሓቢኡ ቸክ ገይሩ ኩሉ ነገር ወድዲው ጓል ይነግረን እሞ ኣብ ደብዳቤ ሓቢኡ ይህበን እታ ደብዳቤ ካልእ ሰብ ይሕዛ ኣብ ጀንደር ፓርቲ ዝበሃል ፓርቲ ምስ ገበራ ኩሉ ነገረን ቤተሰብ ገለ ምስ ዓደሙ ነታ ደብዳቤ የንብቧ እሞ ኣከብደን ዘሎ ውሉድ ወድዲው ጓል ይነግርዎን ንሳተን ድማ ነፍሰ ጾር ከለዋ ሰርፕራይዝ ይኾና በቲ ነገር ማለት እዩ that's what they call gender party ማለት እዩ ስለዚ እምበኣር እዘን ሰባት እዚአን ጀንደር ፓርቲ ክገብራ ክልቲአን ጠኒሰን ንቤተሰበን ፀዊዐን ንዕሩኽተን ፀዊዐን ካልእ ምስኡ እንታይ ገይረን ናይ ቀደም ኤክስ ቦይፍሬንድስ ዝነበሩ ናይ ቀደም ዕሩኽተን ዝነበሩ ሰብኡተን ዘይኮነ ቦይፍሬንድ ማለት እዩ ዕሩኽተን ዝነበሩ ድማ ኣብኡ ዓዲመን ኣምፅአኖም እቲ ፀይቂ ከይተርፍ ማለት እዩ ሽዑ ኣብኡ ምስ ተዓደማ እቲ ዝኽፈል ዋጋ ናይቲ ፓርቲ ናይቲ ብኡ ዝጠፍአ ሽሻይ እንታይ ይብሎ ኣሎ ኣነ ዝወዲ ሕጂ እንታይ ለኔን ዝኸስኦ ዘለዋ ንስኻ ኢኻ ትኸፍሎ ይብሎ ኣሎ እሱ ድማ ዝፈልጦ ነገር ስለ ዘለኒ ኣነ ኣይከፍልን እየ ይብላ ኣሎ ደቀይ እንተ ዝኾኑ ኩሎም ምኸፈልኩ ግን ደቀይ ኣይኮንን ቸክ ይገበረለይ ዝፈልጦ ነገር ኣለኒ ይብላ ኣሎ መወዳእታ ክትርእይዋ ኢኹም እቲ ሓደ ናይ ሓንቲ ጠኒሳቶ ዘላ እዛ ኡክያለ ጌራ ዘላ ዳቢስታ ጌራ ዘላ ጠኒሳቶ ዘላ ጥራይ ኣናቱ እቲ ጥንስናቱ ማለት እታ ሓንቲ ግን ካልእ ክትገብር ስለተረኸበት እዚ ንወዲ ከምዚ ናብ ግምት እትየ ኣነ ኣይከፍሎን እየ ኢሉ እዩ ከም ርእሱ ክጣበቕ መፂ ዘሎ ንሳተን ይኸስኦ ንሱ ድማ ክጣበቕ መፂ ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ንቐፅል ተኸታተልዋ
He owes you the cost of the gender reveal party you were having for a baby you're expecting.
Yes, that's
Tell
correct,
the court
Your
what
Honor.
happened.
Yeah, so we had an agreement with Robert that he would be the father to both of our babies. You know, this is my wife. We are married. We have always wanted a family. It's very important to us that...
ዘገርም ነገር እዩ እንታይ እን ዝብላ ዘለዋ ተሰማሚዕና ከምቲ ዓንተ ወይ ዝበልኩም ተሰማሚዕና ሓደ ሰብኣይ ንክልቴና ክወልደልና ተሰማሚዕና ምክንያቱ ክልቴና ዋልድ ስለ ዝኾንና ቆልዑ ክንወልድ ኣይንኽእልን ኢና ኣያ ኣምተ ሃዝባንድ እያ ትብል ዘላ ዝገርመኩም እዛ ኡክያለ ጌራ ዘላ ኣነ ሰብኣይ ንሳ ከዓ ሰበይቲ እያ ክንወልድ ስለዘይንኽእል ድማ ነዚ ተሰማሚዕና ከምዚ ኢልና ውለደልና ኢልናዮ እያ ትብል ዘላ ንቐፅል
that the children are related. So unfortunately, the only way to do that is if they have the same father. And he made an agreement, his idea, that he would be the father to both those babies because, you know, everything's so expensive. And artificial insemination, sperm donor, it's like so expensive. And yeah.
So wait. He said he made this up. Mr. Pham, you also wanted to have children?
I did.
You
yes.
all know each other and been friends?
Yes.
About 12 years since college.
Okay, so you've known each other since college?
Yes.
You also wanted to be a dad, Mr. Pham?
Yes.
Did you? make up the idea that, hey, I'll father your children. That way they'll be siblings, half siblings, siblings nonetheless?
Well, initially I was pretty hesitant about helping them get pregnant, but because I've known them for so long, we were really good friends.
So wait, they say you asked them. Did they ask you or you asked them?
They initially came to me, but we agreed upon it together.
Okay, ስለዚ እንታይ ዝብል ዘሎ ከም መጀመርታ እንተሰሚዕኹም ሞ ካብ ቀደም ካብ ኮሌጅ ኢና ንፋለጥ መሓዙተየን ይብላ ኣሎ መጀመርታ ንሳተኔን መፅአን ሓቲተናሊ ደቅና በቦ ሓደ ክኾኑ ምእንቲ ንስኻ መፂኻ ውለደልና ኢለናኒ ኣነ ድማ መጀመርታ ቁርብ ጣራጠር ነይረ ድሓር ግን ሕራይ ኢለየን ሳተን ዝሓትኦ ዘለዋ ድማ ብዙሕ ስለ ዝገበርና ነቲ ንክንጠንስ ዘውፃናዮ ወፃኢ ንፓርቲ ዘውፃናዮ ወፃኢ ብዙሕ ስለ ዝበልና ክትከፍሎ ለካ ዝብል ክሲእን ቀሪበን ዘለዋ እሱ ድማ ይቕፅል ኣሎ ስምዑ
Okay, that's your side, I understand. So you were reluctant at first, but then you agreed.
That's correct.
Why did you agree?
Well, I've known these people for 10 years. We are really good friends. We spend a lot of time together. They make a beautiful couple and they're beautiful people. And, you know, they're unable to have this kid on their own. And so I agreed to help them with that.
All right.
Out of the kindness of my own heart.
So he consented and you all started the process.
Yes.
Yes.
We slept together.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you all did it the old-fashioned way.
Yep.
Yes.
Saved on costs.
Yep. Saved on costs.
Okay,
Yes,
got it. Got it. Just use the parts that we got.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So both of you, or who got pregnant?
We both are.
Yeah, we're both pregnant. Yeah.
Oh, right now.
Yes,
Correct,
right now.
yes.
Right now, Your Honor. We are both expecting.
ኣብቲ ኣገዳሲ ዝኾነ ጥራይ ክትርጉም ስለ ዝደለኹ እየ ስለዚ ትሓተን እያ ዘላ እሞ ጠኒስክን ዲኽን ዘለኽን ኢና ተን ክልቴና ነፍሰ ጾር ኢና ብላ ኣለዋ ንቐፅል
Oh, this is good. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're both pregnant right now
Yeah.
by Mr. Pham.
Yes.
Correct.
And so were the genders revealed?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, what are we having?
I'm having a girl.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And I'm having a boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we've got girl and boy.
Okay, ስለዚ እምበኣር ክልቴና ጠኒስና እቲ ጀንደር ናይቶም ቆልዑ ድማ እቲ ጾታ ናይቶም ቆልዑ ድማ ናይታ ሰብኣየ ትብል ነበረት እክያለ ጌራ ዘላ ናታ ጓል ኮይና ናይታ ሓንቲ ድማ ወዲ ኮይና ማለት እዩ እቲ ጥንሲ ከም ዝጠነሳ ርጉፅ እዩ ዝረአ ነገር እዩ እቲ ሰብኣይ ግን እቲ ኣጥኒሱና ዝብልኦ ሰብኣይ ግን ኣብዚ ጉዳይ ዝሕቶ ከም ዘለዎ ክዛረብ እዩ ንቐፅል
Boy. Oh, you all did really well.
I know,
girl and
right?
boy,
That's what I'm saying. We
got it
got
done. All right. So we got girl and boy. And why is there an issue? I thought we're all happy. This means the plan worked. Why are you suing him for the cost of the party? He agreed to pay for it?
He agreed to pay for it and
Is now refusing. Yes,
Yeah.
So at the party, it was at a restaurant that we rented out for $5,000. We invited our family, our friends, exes in relationships, because we invited the exes that we're still on good terms with. You know, we're all civil, we're all friends.
Yeah.
That's big.
You know, this is an adult relationship.
Yes.
We're very
Yeah,
secure
we're
in
all-
our commitment.
Yeah. And one of those exes happens to be my ex-husband from a handful of years ago.
Okay.
Yes. And
More
we're-
the merrier.
And we are on civil, positive terms.
Yeah.
And at some point during the party at the restaurant, I was speaking with Kevin, my ex-husband, outside of the restaurant, and Robert came up and saw us speaking and seemed to think that something was two ways going along romantically, consensually, and he thinks that he is now not the father of the child that I'm carrying.
Oh.
Coming up.
It looked like they were
اوكي ሕጂ ብዝያ ድማ ንእሽቶ ሓበሬታ ክበኩም እየ ንእሽቶ ሓሳብ ክበኩም እየ እንታይ ዝብላ ዘለዋ ሕጂ ክሳብ $5,000 ዝኸውን ዘውፃእናዮ ወፃኢ ንሱ ክሽፍኖ ተሰማሚዕና ኢና መጀመርታ እየን ዝብላ ዘለዋ ንሱ ከዓ ኣይከሓደን ብርግፅ ተሰማሚዕና ኢና እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ግናኸ ሕጂ ኖ ዘብለኒ ዘሎ ምክንያት ኣለኒ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ንሳተን ድማ እንታይ እየን ዝብላ ዘለዋ ንኤክስ ሃዝባንድ ናተይ ዓዲመዮ ነይረ ሓንቲ ከዓ ንኤክስ ቦይፍሬንድ ዓዲማቶ ነይራ ኣብቲ ሽዑ ግዜ ኣነ ምስቲ ኤክስ ሃዝባንድ ክዛረብ ረኺቡኒ ጥራይ ትብል ዘላ ካልእ ነገራት ኣይዘርዘረትን ምስኡ ክትዛረቢ ስለ ዝረኣኹ ኣነ ይጥርጥሮ እየ እዚ ጥንሲ እዚ ናተይ ካባይ ከም ዝጠነስክዮ ከም ዘይኮነ ስለዚ ድማ ኣነ ነቲ ክፍሊት 5,000 ድዩ ዋላ ካልእ ወፃኢታት ክኸፍሎ ኣይደልን እየ ነቲ ስምዒት ብሬክ ዝገብሮ ዘለኹ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ንቐፅል
have intercourse with clothes on.
What?
And on top of
ለዚ እንታይ ኣብዚኣ ሓበሬታ ቢል ዘሎ ስጋዊ ርክብ ክትራኸብ ከላ ምስቲ ናይ ቀደም ሰብኣያ ዝነበረ ምስ ክዳውንታ ከላ ክትራኸብ ከላ ርአያ እየ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ስለዚ ኣነ ነዚ ተጠኒሱ ዘሎ ናተይ ከም ዘይኮነ እየ ዝፈልጥ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ንቐፅል
that, when they didn't think that anyone noticed, I saw both of them go to the side of the restaurant, exchange kisses, fondling with each other, doing God knows what else. And so that's when I approached them.
Did y'all have liquor at this gender reveal?
There
I was sober, Your
yes,
Honor.
Kevin
I was
was
sober.
drunk.
We were, of course,
Yeah,
not
of
drinking.
course we were sober.
But Robert had been drinking.
ኦኬ ኣብዚ እንታይ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ክልቲአን ናብ ዋሽሩም ይኸዳ ይመላለሳ ኣብኡ ድማ ምስ ኣዕሩኽተን ይዛረባ ምስቶም ፈቲሕናዮም ዝብላ ናይ ቀደም ዝነበሩ ይዛረባ ብዙሕ ነገር ክገብራ ከለዋ ሪአን ተዓዚበን ይብላ ኣሎ ንቐፅል
If you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching We the People with Judge Lauren Lake. We're back with a dispute between Ashley and Katrina Marshall and their friend Robert Pham over gender reveal party costs.
So let me let him tell that part
Yes.
of the story because I do want to hear from you, Mr. Pham. So you're at the gender reveal party,
That's correct.
the one you agreed to pay for.
Yes, under the terms that they were my kids.
Okay, well, that's under.
የስ ክትከፍሎ ተሰማሚዕካ ዲኻ ትብላላ እወ ተሰማሚዐ ግን ደቀይ ስጋዕ ዝኾኑ ግዜ ድኸፍል እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ምኻዝ
Understandable. What is it about her interaction with her ex that made you just fly off the handle and decide, I'm not paying?
Well, she's saying they were speaking outside, Your Honor. I believe they were doing a lot more than just speaking outside.
Oh,
As a matter of fact,
what did you see?
well, there was a couple things. Initially, I saw them dancing very intimately on the dance floor. And when I say intimately, I mean it looked like they were having intercourse with clothes on.
What?
And on top of that, when they didn't think that anyone noticed, I saw both of them go to the side of the restaurant, exchange kisses, fondling with each other, doing God knows what else. And so that's when I approached them.
Did y'all have liquor at this gender reveal?
There
I was sober, Your
Yes,
Honor.
Kevin
I was
was
sober.
drunk.
We were, of course,
Yeah,
not
of
drinking.
course we were sober.
But Robert had been drinking, and as had Kevin.
It was open bar.
Yes.
Yes.
So, Your Honor, I went up to them and confronted them about the situation. And that's when she was actually defending her ex-husband, talking about how he was so much better in bed and all of this crazy nonsense. It was just bizarre.
But see, she was pregnant, so she said she didn't have a drink. Because you know, sometimes they say a drunk person's words are a sober person's thoughts. But they weren't drinking. So she started telling you how the ex-husband was better in bed than you.
That's correct.
Were you saying that, Ms. Marshall?
ኦኬ ኣብዚ ሕጂ ኣገዳሲ ጭብፂ ተረኺቡሎ እንታይ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ሕጂ ንሱ ወተሰማሚዐ ኮይኑ ግን ንሳተን ናብቲ ሳይድ ኦፍ ሬስቶራንት ናብቲ ደገና ወፃ ዝተፈላለየ ነገር ክሰዓዓማ ብዙሕ ነገር ክገብራ ብዓይነይ ርአ ሰቲኹም ዲኹም ነርኩም ኢለ ሓቲታቶ እወ ሰቲና ነርና ኩላትና ኢሎም ኣነ ግና ንቑሕ እየ ነይረ ዋላ ይስተ ኢሉ ካልእ እውን ኣብቲ ሽዑ ግዜ ኮንፍሮንት ምስ ገበርክዎን ምስ ተዛረብክዎን ምስ ሓተትክዎን እንታይ ትገብራ ኣለኹን ምስ በልክዎን እቲ ሓፃር እንታይ ጌራ እንታይ ኢላትኒ ኢሉ ኣብ ዓራትሲ ሰብኣይ ሓይሽ ካባኻ ኢላትኒ ኢሉ ረያ ሕጂ ናበይ እዩ ዝመፅእ ዘሎ ሕጂ ናብቲ ዝገበረቶ ዓመፅ ዝገበረቶ ጌጋ እዩ ዝግለፅ ዘሎ እቶም ቤት ፍርዲ ድማ መቸም ወይታ ይባርኮም ናይ ቤት ፍርዲ ስራሕ ድማ በቲ ሓደ ወገን ኣዝዩ ክድነቕ ዝግበይ ክንቅፅል ኢና ገለ ነገር ግና ክርዳእና እዩ መወዳእታ
I was not. And
Oh, he's making all of this up.
the interaction between Kevin and I on the side of the restaurant, from untrained eyes, looked suggestive Kevin was drunk. He was happy for us that we are having a family, and he was getting a little affectionate, maybe overly affectionate, and I didn't want to cause a scene. I knew that he was happy for me, so I went along with it.
So he was like hugging you
Yeah.
and I'm so happy for you,
Yes.
but being a little bit too handsy.
Yes, and I knew he means well. It was not any kind of anything like that.
You
And
weren't offended by it. You just felt like it was somebody that had had a few too many to drink and that was very familiar with you.
yes,
So
Your
they
Honor.
were kind of
ኦኬ ስለዚ እቲ ሓፈሻዊ ሓሳብ ሒዝኩም ኣለኹም ናብቲ መወዳእታ ክወስደኩም እየ ሕጂ እቲ ቪድዮ ከይነውሕ ምእንቲ ኣብ መወዳእታ እቲ ናይ ጀንደር ቴስት ክግበር እዩ ዲኤንኤ ቴስት ክገብሩ እዮም ኣብ መወዳእታ ክንሪኦ ኢና ማለት እዩ ኣብዚ ግን ክንርድኦ ዘለና ክልቲአን ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ስለ ዝኾና ተሓንቲ ካብቲ ሓንቲ ተሓቢኣ ተሓንቲ ካብቲ ሓንቲ ተሓቢኣ ዝኾነ ነገር ከይገብራ ስምማዕ ኣለዎን ልክዕ ከምዚ ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ዝሰማምዕዎ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ንሱ ድማ ድሓር ሰበብ ከምፅእ እዩ ማለት እዩ ንቐፅል
overstepping and the cost associated with it. I think it's important that we get.
Over gender reveal party costs.
So you're serious about this?
ሕጂ ናበዮም ዝኸዱ ዘለው ዲኤንኤ ቴስት ገይሮም ነቲ ሓቂ ክፈልጥዎ እዮም ማለት እዩ ክንቅፅል ኢና
You have that much doubt?
Well, it was Ashley.
It was. I got it. Well, we have that result as well.
You know what, Robert? You know that you're the father. You know that you're the father. You were there.
We're gonna find out.
We slept together.
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
ያ ብሓንሳብ ስለ ዝደቀስና ንስኻ ኣቦናይ ፀረዮ ዘለኹ ቆልዓ ምዃንካ ትፈልጥ ኢኻ ከምኡ እያ ትብል ዘላ እሞ ድሓን ንርአዮ እቲ ውፅኢት ዲኤንኤ ውፅኢት ንሪኦ እሞ ካብኡ ንዛረብ ይብል ኣሎ ንቐፅል
Okay.
As it relates to the unborn child of Ashley Marshall, it has been determined by this court, Mr. Pham, you are not the father.
I knew it. And you
ሕጂ ሪኢኹሞ ዶ ብዛዕባ እዚ ተጠኒሱ ዘሎ ቆልዓ ዲኤንኤ ቸክ ተገይሩ ንስኻ ኣቦ ከምዘይኮንካ ኣረጋጊፅና ንብሎ ትብሎላ ናይታ ሓፃር ጓል እዩ ንቐፅል
try to have me pay for it.
He's not the father.
ፈዚዛ ረኣይዋ ሕጂ ስለዚ ክትከፍሎ ኣለዋ እቲ ዕዳ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ I knew it. أقدم تفليت تردي نيري.
Ms. Marshall?
I don't even know what to say. So you've been lying to me this entire time, Ashley?
I have not been lying.
أجري وتحوخ أبزي تولي أحد. نسا أتسبعي تبل نعي تحسون نابل عليك هذا تجبر النير كمالة بيحجي. إذا إنسان كهذا سب كوينو إلى رما أبكال أم بقارو أتينا الله مالتيو نغتصل.
Oh, obviously you have. You said it was just a kiss.
Oh, it was a kiss? Well, that was more than that.
من ما يقبر كنت سعيمنا ترى إنا بدت تحسوات أني حانتا سبعة مالتي زي تري وزن لهم حجي ناتو تسيدي مالتي.
We'll talk about this later.
So
I can't believe you would humiliate me like this in a courtroom.
We'll talk about this
I absolutely cannot believe this.
So, Ms. Marshall, are you ready to admit something that perhaps you weren't ready to admit before these paternity results? Because I will always say this. Plaintiffs may lie and defendants may lie, but the DNA, it never lies.
Yes.
حجي انت تبلا زلا امو نسخ حجي ابقيد مسب ابقيد مزي بيت فردي تامن دو እዚ ህፃን ናይዚ ሰብ እዚ ኮን ካብ ካሊእ ከምፂ ኺዮ ዲኤንኤ ኣይሕሱን ከሳስ ክሕሱ ክእል እዩ ተኸሳስ ክሕሱ ክእል እዩ ዲኤንኤ ግን ስለዘይ ይሕሱ ንስኽ እንታይ ትብሊ ምስ በለታ የስ ከምኡ ገይረ ኢላ ተኣምናላ ማለት እዩ ንቐፅል
I did have relations with my ex-husband before the contract was drawn up.
Before the contract was drawn up with Mr. Pham.
Correct.
Oh, before.
Your Honor.
What about the agreement between us? Huh?
We'll talk about it later.
Oh, okay. You don't want to do it here.
No.
Judge Lake's verdict when We the People returns. You're watching We the People with Judge Lauren Lake.
The children now will both have different fathers. That wasn't your original plan.
No, it was not our original plan, Your Honor.
And yet, you still have two beautiful children
Yes.
coming into this world. You're very blessed. The question now becomes the $5,000 for the gender reveal party. Do you expect Mr. Pham to put on a gender reveal party for a baby that's not his?
No.
I don't.
No.
I don't think that's fair.
All right. Well, the judgment is simple then. Mr. Pham, you've got one baby. You agreed to pay for the gender reveal party for the children who would be yours. And so therefore, judgment for the plaintiff for $2,500. I wish you all the very best of luck. You guys got a lot of mess to sort out, because the thing about it, when you bring children into the world, now you have a responsibility to figure out how to co-parent with all of these folks that are involved. Court is adjourned.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
All rise.
يا اسك حج انتاي مسيلكم بروخات حواتي اذا نجر زسي انتاي امصو املاح حلنا يبرهالو نخل سب مالتي اتي لزبيانيزم مخان اتجاي مخان حليفو ومسي كاله قبل علي دما ابز بايزوي كاله ارتفيشال انسيمينيشن ديو خال استفعل ነገር ምን ከም ተጠቀሙ يم ዝዛረቡ ዘለው እዚ ነገር እዚ ንምንታይ ኣምጽ ሕዋተይ ኩሉ ግዜ ንኣንጻር ፍጥረት ኣምላኽ ክትከይድ እንድሕር ፈቲንካ እታ በትሪ ናባኸያ ትመጽእ እታ መቕጽዓቲ ታሽግር ናባኸያ ትመጽእ ሰብ ይደክምዶ ሰብ ከይፈለጠ ይጋገዶ እንተይልኩምኒ እወ ኩላትና ንጋገ ኣይኮነን እዚኦም መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ በዝም በትም ገላቢጦም ድፈልጥዎ ሰባት ክጋገይ ይኽእል እዮም ጌጋ ግን ይፋላለዩ ሕዋተይ ንሕልናኻ ትኽሕዶ ጌጋን ከይፈለጥካ እትገብሮ ጌጋን በበይኒ ኮነ ኢልካ ተደጋጋሚ ኣምላኽ የለን ክብለን ዝኽእል ሰብ የለን ብሩኻት ሕዋተይ መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ይፍለጥ ኣይፍለጥ ብዘይገድስ ቃል ኣምላኽ ይፍለጥ ኣይፍለጥ ብዘይገድስ እግዚአብሔር እቲ ብፍጥረቱ ጥራይ ክንፈልጦን ክንርድኦን ከም ዘለና እግዚአብሔር ከም ዝፈጠረና ኩሉ ሰብኣይ ሰበይትን ገይሩ ከም ዝፈጠረና ከመይ መንገዲ ክንከይድ ከም ዘለና እግዚአብሔር ከም ዝሰርዖሲ بتقص طراي كنا نفلطو بعلو اتافاططرا اتفطرت بعلي از نغرك حلنا خاص بغلا منقدس املاح كم زلو يرداي سلازي نحنا حواتي ايكون اندو مصحف قدس نفلط سبات فصيمو زي فلط سبون اذنا حلنا سرح زي يردو سلازي خوني اذ نغر زي صبق نغر مسيلكم ابز نغر زختاتو التحاسبوا ويون كيدم حج زاتهم بليس املاح حجون فقريو املاح حجون محرتنيا كقبلكم ناب املاح كتملسو بزمن قدزي يلابوكم زيابير كل غزي يقبل ولا فليت كاتغاغي خاون منالبات كقصعكا يخل خاون اتمملاس جن سلتملسكا እግዚአብሔር كحقفك كان يقدني مخنيات እግዚአብሔር محرتو نزل عالم سلازخوني سلازي حجينا تجيغوم مملسنا نمجداد ويون نتجيغوم بقى فصيمنا خفات سبات كم نخص خونو نمغلاص ايكونن تنجر ابانا امباكت خيهلوم انتي ابانا صلوا خيهلوم انتي انا نزارب زلنا مخنياتو بزلوم غزي حواتي صعادو زغبر وطراي نحنا ابزي حبشا مالتي ابزو مدرزي مصينا صعادو زغبرو نسعب كم زلنا كلاتكم تفضيو نبعلو زي جندر بارتي لنجيرو نوزلوا ولا عم استولدس كيف لا تصنح قوالن ودنتي اكبرا زلمو كيدوم شعو ابو ريفي لغبرو لحجنا يصعادو ستايل بليز نحنا ባህልና حلنا زلو ابوتاتنا ذهبنا صوري مصحف قدس كيف لا ابوتاتنا سي بحلناهم دغبرو مصحف قدس زي صار نصح زخونه منغدي اقميطوم لا امبرخات حواتي نمنتاينا حدش ነገር كنلمد كنبل ددي حرص عادو كنكيد نبلسي ناب تراب وي دما ناب مصاوريا ناب مفنطرانا اتو ስለዚህ ሕዋተይ ብዙሕ ነገር ክዛረበሉ እየ ከምፆ እየ ካልእ ግዜ ብዛዕባ ዝበርዝደይ ተባሂሉ ነብዕሎ ዘለና ካልእ ብዙሕ ነገር ኣሎ ቤቢ ሻወር ዝበሃል ኣምፅአን ኣለዋ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ዌዲንግ ሻወር ዝበሃል ኣምፅአን ኣለዋ ፕሊስ ንሕና ክብረትና ባህልና እዩ ኣብዚ ናይ ፃዓዱ ባህሪ ኣብዚ ናይ ፃዓዱ ባህሊ ክትስዕብ ክትብል ናብ ብዙሕ ዘይፈለጥካዮ መፈንጥራ ክትኣቱ ስለ ትኽእል ኣሕዋተይ እቲ ዝዓበናሉ ይፅቡቕ ብሕልና እንድሕር ደኣ ንኸይድ ኮይንና ማለት እዩ ቃል ኣምላኽ ትፈልጥ እንተኾንካ እሞ ዝኾነ ዘጣራጥር ነገር ይብልካን ቃል እግዚኣብሔር እንተንቢብካ ኩሉ ሓበሬታ ኣብ ቃል እግዚኣብሔር ተፃሒፉ ኣሎ ስለዚ ብሩኻት ኣሕዋተይ በዚኣ ክላበወኩም እደሊ ፋሽን ኣይኮነን እዚ ጥፍኣት እዩ ምዕባለ ኣይኮነን እዚ ሞት እዩ ኣሕዋተይ ፃዕዳ ስለ ዝገበሮ ንሕና ክንገብሮ ኣይግባአና ፃዕዱ ጠፊኦም እዮም እዎ ብዙሓት ንፉዓት ኣለዎም ግን መብዛሕትኡ ፖፑሌሽን ግን ጠፊ ስለዚ ኣሕዋተይ እቲ ኣባና ዘሎ ርዝነት ኣብ ባህልና ዘሎ ርዝነትን ክብረትን ንሱ ይሕሸና ክብለኩም እደሊ ኣብ ካልእ ግዜ ስጋዕ ንራኸብ እግዚኣብሔር ይባርኽኩም ተባረኹለይ የሱስ ጎይታ እዩ